What's up? Level up, fam! Today I'm putting some of the most powerful study tips to the test to see if they actually work, and if they can help boost your grades starting now. So if you've been cramming, procrastinating, or just staring at your notes like they're written in alien code, this video is for you. Let's get real. Studying harder isn't the answer. Studying smarter is... It sounds basic, but this is a game changer. Before you start, ask, what exactly do I want to get done today? Instead of saying study science, say review chapters 3 and 4 and do 10 quiz questions. Specific. Measurable. Achievable. Relevant. Time-bound. This keeps you focused, motivated, and way less likely to drift into TikTok land. If you're still rereading your notes 5 times and hoping it sticks, I've got news for you. There's a better way. Active recall means forcing your brain to pull the info out. Use flashcards, quiz yourself, or explain the topic out loud. Then space it out. Review the info again tomorrow, then 3 days later, then next week. This locks it into your long-term memory. Brain bonus. This combo literally rewires your brain to retain more and forget less. Can't stay focused? Try this. 25 minutes of deep focus, 5-minute break, repeat 4 times, then take a longer break. This helps your brain stay in the zone and avoid burnout. Use apps like Focus Keeper or pomofocus.io to stay on track. Real talk. You only need 1 or 2 tips to see results. You don't need to do all of this perfectly to start seeing changes. Just applying 1 or 2 of these tips consistently can totally transform your study sessions and your grades. You'll stop feeling overwhelmed. You'll actually understand and remember what you're learning. And yeah, you'll feel a lot more confident when that test hits your desk. So here's your game plan. Set SMART goals before you study. Use active recall and spaced repetition. Stay focused with the Pomodoro method. Start today, not next week. And let me know in the comments, which tip are you trying first? Got your own secret study weapon? Drop it below and help out your fellow learners. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more ways to level up your mindset. You've got this. Let's go crush it.